I'm Rick Robinson. I'm Director of Smart Places for Jacobs and also the Chair of the Birmingham Digital Partnership that supports Digital Birmingham. I've lived in Birmingham for 30 years or so now, at the same time as being a professional who has specialised in the impact of digitalisation in the built environment and economies. And this just seemed the time that we needed to come together with the increasing importance of digitalisation in community, in the economy, in how places are run, how they work. It seemed right that the city stakeholders get together and coordinate what we're doing so it works out as best as possible for the whole city.
My name's Raj Mag. I'm Head of Digital City and Innovation, and I'm lucky enough to be part of the Digital City Partnership, which is really looking at how we can support the city to become more innovative in use of digital technologies, how we can really bring different partners together to create an ecosystem to accelerate new innovations, new opportunities for both citizens and businesses to really drive that economic growth opportunity for the city.
My name's Joanna Seabright. I'm the Marketing Director at West Midlands 5G. We've been involved with Digital Birmingham for quite some time now, and our role is to really drive forward the connectivity agenda across the city to enable loads of fantastic projects to happen. We are very focused on improving connectivity right across the city, from 5G to broadband, to enable businesses and organisations to be fit for the future. So that could be anything from public sector organisations such as the NHS, right the way through to businesses who want to be able to implement activities such as Industry 4.0. It can also support health and care organisations to be implementing activities such as virtual wards and digital care in people's homes. So really, digital connectivity is the golden thread through everything, and that's one of the reasons we wanted to be involved with Digital Birmingham.
If we want to see true inclusive growth, then it's really important that we connect the whole of the city to a digital network that truly is world class. Also, if we want to think about attracting businesses to come and coalesce into BIQ, then one of the key things they'll be looking at is its digital connectivity. So that's a big tick box we've got to strike in order to attract the type of businesses we see for the future of Birmingham being so important. We have to attract these international businesses into our great city.
There's a huge amount that we're doing regarding social value and giving back to society and thinking about how digital can enable that. Some of the key work that we're doing right now is called Cyber Futures, where we think about schools that are local to Birmingham. How do you make sure that you give underprivileged school children the opportunity to have professional services careers going forward?
In Birmingham and the UK, there are many challenges in the health and care ecosystem, mainly in terms of preventing hospital admissions and also making sure that people can be discharged from hospital in a timely manner. And the way that this can be solved is through digital technology. There are various tools and techniques and applications available out there at the moment for at-home diagnostics, and also virtual wards and remote monitoring of people in their own homes. And this is the kind of project that we will be collaborating with many partners that are involved with Digital Birmingham and Birmingham Council itself to be implementing these solutions across the city, but it will only happen through collaborative work with many of the partners involved with the organisation.
Collaboration, again, is a fantastic opportunity for us to bring the different systems together, different organisations together, and help provide the right tools. One great collaboration that we have is in development of the City Observatory. The City Observatory enables us to make our data available, create dashboards that gives insight into how the city is operating in terms of some of its challenges. It has a vast amount of information on it. One of the great opportunities it presents is that opportunity to access open data by SMEs, by different organisations, to get insight into team. Now, working in a collaborative approach has enabled us to bring that data together and share that data at a city level that enables different organisations both to create new types of applications or gain insights that they wouldn't have had if that data had sat in disparate locations.
My advice to the city and people watching this who perhaps haven't really embraced digital yet is to just get involved with the community and find out more, to be upskilling yourself or upskilling the people within your organisation, to be finding out how to business case for new technologies, and to be finding out how to really amplify what you're doing. This is your opportunity to use this platform to be really showcasing everything that you do.
Digital connectivity, AI, robotics, all of these things are going to help drive the prosperity of the city and the wider country, actually. But we need to be leading on this, and we have an opportunity to lead on this, and I think that's why Digital Birmingham is so important. And and the city recognising the importance of getting this bit right.
What I'd like to be able to do in 5 years' time is look back and say that Digital Birmingham made a real difference, that perhaps Birmingham became the first place that really made digital work for everybody. Digitalisation is undeniable, trillions of pounds have been pumped into it, but we have to look at what the outcomes are. Does it give everybody a fair chance to succeed? Does it give every business, every community a fair chance to succeed? I don't think it does at the moment. What I'd really like the partnership to do, what I'd really like Digital Birmingham to do, is to change that for Birmingham so that everybody here succeeds in an increasingly digital world.
Digital Birmingham isn't just for tech companies, it's for all types of businesses and public services. Even if you don't think you're a tech company at the moment, you will be implementing tech solutions at some point in the future to keep up with everything that's happening. So Digital Birmingham is definitely for you. Even if you're not labelled as a tech or a digital business, come along and find out how Digital Birmingham can help your business grow.